What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So ASAP, I need y'all to check right now and make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you are buckled up so you get the latest news and information on Shiba Inu, and you can make sure you pretty much guarantee your position in line with the next success stories. Now, this ain't financial advice. You got to do your own due diligence. And remember to never risk more than you're willing to lose. Now, Shiba Inu is forecasted to repeat its 2021 bull run pattern. So let's take a look at this article by Watcher Guru. Drop hashtag shibArmy. Let's get it going in the algorithm, letting them know that we are not fooled by the pullbacks that we're seeing. Yes, we do see a cool off right now, but that's perfectly fine. This is an opportunity for those to accumulate on the way up. We got a support level. We'll talk about that, where the price may pull back to, just in case it does. Y'all know that area where you can potentially add more to your bags if you want to do that. So let's get into this one, y'all. Shiba Inu climbed above that 404 mark in March 2024 after relatively remaining in the back foot for nearly 2 years. SHIB skyrocketed in price in 2021, making early investors turn millionaires in less than a year. It spiked 85 million% between August 2020 to October 2021, generating life-changing gains for early holders. The rally was one of a kind that the cryptocurrency market had never seen or experienced before. The bull run of 2021 made Shiba Inu attract new and first-time investors into its fold from across the world. The new investors took an entry position into SHIB with the hopes that it would replicate its 2021 rally. If the rally kickstarts, another batch of investors could make amazing profits and lead a comfortable life. Shiba Inu analysts say SHIB could potentially rally again like it did in 2021. So, pseudonymous crypto analyst Rec Capital told his nearly 500,000 followers on X that SHIB can replicate its 21 bull run again. He explained, showing the charts, that Shiba Inu might be mirroring a pattern last seen during the 2021 bull market. So if y'all remember, I told y'all this looks like exactly how it played out in March, last bull run. This looks like that breakout we seen in, March time frame. We seen a nice little breakout. May we seen another one. Then we seen the all-time high breakout in October, late fall, or during that fall period. So that's what we're expecting again. Take a look at, what took place after the last Bitcoin halving. Prices rallied leading up to it. As we hit the halving event, prices did start to cool off a little bit. They started to trade off and consolidate. As we got closer to fall, that's when things started to really go absolutely crazy. So that's what he means by it looks like it can repeat this pattern again. So now that you know this, you could plan ahead and say, hey, if the price continues to rally leading up to the Bitcoin rally, I could either A, continue to hold, B, take profits at that point, wait for the price to pull back, buy more at that level, or take profits, be done, or hold, wait for the price to pull back, buy more at that level, let it continue to ride. It all depends on your trading strategy, your investment strategy, and also your risk tolerance as well. So keep that in mind. But when you know what's likely to occur, it's not like we know 100% what will play out, but we can start to predict and analyze, what we can do in case, if this then that type of scenarios play out. So here's a screenshot from his Twitter saying SHIB ultimately reached a blue resistance but rejected from it. In late 2021, SHIB also wasn't able to break the blue resistance on the first attempt. In fact, in late 2021, the blue resistance rejection forced SHIB to retest the orange level as a new support. And remember, we talked about these levels here, so you can see SHIB broke out. You can see right here, this blue line is that resistance point that he mentioned. We did break out of it, but we were rejected off of that point. And then we pushed down to this area and eventually found support in this orange circle. So he said SHIB reclaimed this orange level as a new support this early on in the new week and has rebounded higher. Generally, SHIB is now in this macro range, orange. So it looks like would need to break this range high to rally to new yearly highs blue. So I'm just trying to get a better understanding of what he means right here. So she reclaimed this orange level. So that's at 1, 2. Okay, so at the 60, that's where we found support. Okay, so he's saying from the bottom of this arrow here to the top of the arrow. So she reclaimed this orange level as new support. So I believe he's meaning this, demand area in here where the orange box is showing, this orange rectangle. And generally, SHIB is now in this macro range, orange to orange. So this orange line, or the orange box to the top orange line, and said we need to break this range high to rally to new yearly highs, which is the blue area. So he doesn't have that area marked on there yet. So yeah, the area he has marked is to 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 1. I think that's 179. He's saying that is 222% from where that orange range is right there. But I'm not sure exactly what he's pointing out. So 4 zeros, 2131 range. Okay, I see what it is. So it's the 2599 range, not 1796. So it's 4 zeros, 2599 range. So basically, we got to break above that 2,600 points per coin level, hold it as a support to continue moving from here. So SHIB ultimately reached the blue resistance, but rejected from it in late 2021. SHIB also wasn't able to break the blue resistance on the first attempt. In fact, in late 2021, that blue resistance rejection forced SHIB to retest the orange level as new support. So before confirming further upside, right now, SHIB is in the process of a retest of the orange level once again. Could history be repeating itself, he tweeted. So keep in mind, this is not financial advice. You got to do your own due diligence. But like I tell y'all, it's good to start to see those analysts become more and more bullish on SHIB as well. Why? Because in the background, that means they're throwing more money in SHIB because their confidence level is increasing. So we want to be able to, follow the money. We want to be able to recognize what smart money is doing and move accordingly. If we know smart money is recognizing that Shiba Inu is about to go up, and we know that the majority of people still don't understand yet, then you got the chance to be early. Now, of course, you got to do your due diligence and understand, buying high versus buying low. I see a lot of people jump straight into the charts and they chase green candles. They wait until Shiba Inu is having, a day of being up 70, 80%, 100%, and that's when they want to buy it. The object is to make sure you get it on discount. That's the way to play the crypto game. You don't want to chase the candles. Let the price come to you, or just be ahead of, everyone else and be investing while the price is still low. So that way you don't have to play catch up. Now let's take a look at these overall prices. We got the overall crypto market cap right now sitting at $2.61 trillion, 19 days until the Bitcoin halving. Extreme fear, extreme greed right now as we sit at 82 on the fear and greed index. We got Bitcoin right now at 69,442. Ethereum at 3,537. We got Solana at $196. BNB at 586. XRP at 61 cents. Doge at 20 cents. Cardano at 62 cents. AVAX at $51.98. And then we got Toncoin overtaking Shiba Inu for that 11th place by market cap at $5.25, up 1.95% on the day, sitting at an $18.25 billion market cap, or $18.22 billion market cap. And Shiba Inu sitting at 12th place by market cap. So we dropped down one spot. We're sitting at 402884, down 5.5%, still up 3.18% for the week, and still up 178% year to date. That means since January. So Shiba Inu is not crashing. It's having a nice pullback with the rest of the market. Take a look. We see a lot of red in here. This means the overall market is, having a correction right now. And that happens. The money has to cycle through. Eventually, as we get closer and closer to the halving, we may continue to rally and, possibly even sell off after that point. But leading up to fall is when we usually see the full bull run come into effect. So that's what I'm excited for. Hopefully y'all are too. I need everybody that's rocking with the community to make sure after this video, you are in the Vegas Inu token Telegram. If you're one of my DD Nation people that rock with me, you want to be tapped in, y'all. This is for the early people. That's all I'm gonna say, man. Shout out to everybody for rocking with me. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. If you're interested in getting any of my courses, you can email me at, well, I got the stock options day trading course teaching you how to day trade options and swing trade as well. Website DecemberDeMarco.com going live very, very soon. So tap in before then. Also, technical analysis course and the crypto 101 course. If you're interested in any one of these, email me DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.